At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for photographers involves several steps. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the legal and financial implications of forming an LLC in your state or country. Consider consulting with a lawyer or accountant specializing in business formations to understand the specific requirements and tax implications for photographers. 2. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with your state's regulations. Ensure the name reflects your photography business and is not already in use by another company. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization, sometimes called Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization, with the appropriate state agency. This typically involves providing your LLC's name, address, registered agent information, and paying the required filing fee. 4. Appoint a registered agent. Most states require LLCs to have a registered agent who is responsible for receiving legal documents and official notices on behalf of the company. This can be an individual or a registered agent service. 5. Create an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement outlining the ownership structure, management responsibilities, decision-making processes, and other important aspects of your LLC. This document helps establish clarity and avoid potential disputes among members. 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your location and the nature of your photography business, you may need to obtain permits or licenses to operate legally. This could include business licenses, sales tax permits, or permits for shooting in certain locations.
7. Opting an Employer-Identifikation Number ein.
An EIN, also known as a Federal Tax Identification Number, is required for most LLCs. It's used for tax purposes and opening business bank accounts. You can apply for an EIN for free from the IRS website. 8. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate by opening a dedicated bank account for your LLC. This simplifies accounting and helps maintain the limited liability protection offered by the LLC structure. 9. Comply with tax requirements. Understand your tax obligations as an LLC, including income tax, self-employment tax, if applicable, and any state or local taxes. Consider consulting with a tax professional to ensure compliance and optimize your tax strategy. 10. Protect your intellectual property. Consider trademarking your business name or logo to protect your brand identity. Additionally, ensure you have proper contracts in place with clients to protect your copyright and usage rights for your photographs. 11. Maintain compliance. Stay informed about ongoing compliance requirements for LLCs in your jurisdiction, such as annual reports, tax filings, and other regulatory obligations. Remember, the specific steps and requirements may vary depending on your location and individual circumstances, so it's essential to research thoroughly and seek professional advice when necessary. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.